Hello students, welcome back. Today is the last session of our class 8 science third chapter, that is synthetic fiber and plastic. In this session we will discuss about why the plastic has become very popular in the world. So what are the properties which makes plastic very user friendly? The first property is that it is chemically unreactive. Chemically unreactive. See, if you have a container which is made up of metal, any metal, then that is getting reacted with the atmospheric air and moisture. Different gases are present in the air. That gases react with the metallic ions, and because of the moisture, the metal gets corrode. Corrosion of the metal takes place. That's why to avoid all these things we have to do many things. जैसे हमें इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग करनी पड़ती है, या फिर एक मेटल पे दूसरे मेटल की कोटिंग करनी पड़ती है, and ultimately that becomes very long and expensive process. On the contrary, the plastic does not react with any chemical substance, and plastic does not react with water. That's why we can use plastic for many purposes. Say storage tank, storage jars, storage bottles. ये बहुत सारी चीजें हम प्लास्टिक से बना सकते हैं, ताकि आप जो भी उसमें रखते हो that does not react with the plastic molecules because that are chemically unreactive, and ultimately that does not cause any harmful effect on the material which we are storing in it and on the container also. ठीक है? The second thing is that it is poor conductor of heat and electricity. Poor conductor means insulator. Conductor और insulator का difference आपने सीखा है last year. Conductor means which allows the heat or electricity to transfer through it. But plastic is an insulator. It means that it does not allow the heat or electricity to pass through it. That's why plastics are used. See, two types of plastics I have explained in previous session. एक तो thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. Both are used at particular places where they are not come in contact with the heat and electricity. See, the handles of cookware that are made up of plastic. Why? Because that are heat resistant. The coatings of different electricity wires, जो बड़ी बड़ी cables होती है, wires होती है, आपने देखा होगा कि blue color, yellow color, red color, ऐसी coating होती है प्लास्टिक की उसके ऊपर. Why only plastic? Why not any other metal? वो तो और ज्यादा strong रहता, hard रहता और durable भी रहता. But that are the conductors. But plastic is insulator. It does not have any effect of that heat or electricity on that coating. That's why it is used at all electronic gadgets. कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स लो, जैसे मैंने आपको उस दिन बताया था कि आप मिक्सर ले लो, ग्राइंडर ले लो, फ्रिज ले लो, एसीज ले लो, रेफ्रिजरेटर्स ले लो, एवरीथिंग दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ प्लास्टिक. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्लास्टिक, बिकॉज कितनी भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो, कितना भी हाई टेम्परेचर हो, दैट डजंट अफेक्ट दैट थिंग. दैट्स व्हाई it has become again more popular. Then it is having a very good molding ability. See, मैंने thermoplastic का एग्जाम्पल दिया था. Thermoplastic can be mold into different shape. मतलब आप इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते इतने शेप्स में वो मोल्ड हो सकता है. एक बार नहीं, वो बार बार मीन्स हीटिंग, मोल्डिंग, cooling, again heating, molding, cooling, means we can reshape it, reframe it again and again. चाहे आपके टॉयज हो, चाहे आपकी सिंपल बॉल पेन हो, उनकी रिफिल्स हो, जो भी हो, आपकी यूजेस की वाटर बॉटल्स हो, कैरी बैग्स हो, मार्केट की बैग्स हो, पॉलिथीन बैग्स हो, all that are made up of this ability or this capacity or this characteristics of the feature, that is, it is having ability to mold in different shapes and different colors, different size again and again. This is also one of the reason why plastic has become more and more popular. Then cheap and easily available. Cheap. See, as I told you in first that it becomes quite difficult or quite expensive to make the containers or the utensils or the equipments which are durable, which are resistant to the chemical. But in case of plastic, there is no such a condition. Why? Because plastic itself is unreactive. So it can be made in very less expense. It can be made into different types of gadgets, different types of objects, and as it is made in low cost, it is easily available for every that person which wants to afford it. Every that person who wants to afford it. See, suppose I want to purchase a say mixer grinder की बात करते हैं. If I am a lower middle class person, I will afford the mixer of 3,000, 4,000 minimum maximum. If I am little bit of higher class, then I will go for 10,000, 15,000. ये भी प्लास्टिक का है, वो भी प्लास्टिक का है. If I am the class 1 person, then I may afford a very combined advanced type of mixer or juicer जो combined है वो शायद 20-30,000 का. ये सारे या उससे भी expensive है. Every that pattern is made up of plastic only. The quality of plastic change, but it is plastic at last. So it is easily available everywhere for every person in every possible rate. Understand? That's why everyone can avail that facility. Whatever it is, whatever. I have just given the example of mixer, but it can be anything which we are using. Then light, strong and durable. Yes, of course it is very light and weight. एक प्लास्टिक की बॉटल हाथ में लो और उतनी ही साइज की, उतनी ही कैपेसिटी की, सपोज 1 लीटर की एक मेटल की बॉटल हाथ में लो. What is lighter? Of course plastic. It is very light in weight. Why? Because of it is made up of petrochemicals by the polymerization. Synthetic है ये, बहुत ही light in weight होती है. Okay? It is light in weight, but it is made up of cross linkage polymer. Yesterday I have explained you. Cross linkage polymer. That's why it is very strong. Hard होता है ये. और as it is hard, of course it is more durable. Suppose मेरे पास एक पेट पॉलीथिलीन टेरेफ्थालाइट का एक कंटेनर है, जार है जिसमें बिस्किट्स वगैरह रखे हुए हैं. एंड इट वाज एट क्वाइट हाइट एंड आई वाज ट्राइंग टू टेक इट डाउन, बट मेरी हाइट नहीं पहुंच रही थी तो वो मेरे हाथ से गिर गया. विल इट ब्रेक डाउन? नो. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड, ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, उसकी जगह पे अगर कोई ग्लास जार होता, ग्लास जार, कांच का वो होता जार, तो क्या होता? टूट जाता पूरा. Okay, what does it mean? It means it is strong and that's why it is durable. We can handle it so roughly. But the objects which are made up of glass or metal cannot be handled so roughly, so strongly, and they are not so durable. All these are the characteristics because of what the plastic become more popular. दूसरी बात ये है, it is easily available in the market, it is easily transportable, it is user friendly. In short, it is user friendly. जब चाहो, जहां चाहो, जैसे चाहो, it is available. That's why plastic become more popular. Clear? Now, one more thing which I want to tell you is that about very important thing. ये तो सारी अच्छी बातें हो गई प्लास्टिक के बारे में. Everything which is good, everything which we are using, why we are using, everything. But इसकी दूसरी साइड, उसके लिए पहले मैं कुछ छोटा पॉइंट सिखाती हूँ. You may know this, but still I will revise it for you. Have you heard about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable things? Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable. These are the material or the things which can get decomposed completely by the action of microorganism present in the environment. Suppose take the example of household waste, say vegetable food, vegetable pills या rest of parts of the vegetable, leftover meal जो भी है. If you will throw it outside, generally हम फेंकते तो नहीं है, but just for the sake of experiment, one bite of the rice you kept outside, you keep it outside and observe after 3-4 days, you may have noticed that it is disappeared from that place. How? It has decomposed. It has decomposed by the microorganism. All those things which are made up of completely natural things are only biodegradable. But the things which are not made up of completely naturally occurring things are not biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means what? These cannot be converted into the simpler form. It can be converted, but while converting, it produces suppose harmful या poisonous gases, या फिर they release some solid waste. जैसे आपने अगर देखा होगा, when you burn the plastic, very blackish fumes are released from that, blackish brownish strong, and that gets melt and settle down as a drop of plastic. कभी देखा है प्लास्टिक की कैरी बैग जला के देखो, ऐसे ड्रॉप्स उसके गिरते हैं नीचे. Okay, but means what? When it is we are trying to dispose it, that time it is releasing the poisonous या harmful gases or the substances which cannot completely 100% डिग्रेड नहीं होते. बट ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, सपोज लीव्स का है, हिप है आपके गार्डन में, आपने गार्डन क्लीन किया और इतना सारा ढेर लग गया, वो जो पत्ते झड़े हुए थे उसका, फिर आपने उसको जला दिया. व्हाट विल हैपन? ऑफ कोर्स इट विल आल्सो रिलीज द स्मोक, बट दैट इज नॉट सो हार्मफुल एज दिस. ऑफ कोर्स इट विल लेफ्ट ओवर द रेसिड्यू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एश, but that ash is also getting used by the soil or it is also decomposed further. So this is what the difference between the biodegradable and non-biodegradable thing. Why I am telling you all these things? आपको तो पता है, मैं बता रही हूँ इसकी वजह से. Because of plastic, इतना गुणगान गाया हमने अब तक. But do you know that at present plastic has become a curse to the world. जहां देखो वहां पे प्लास्टिक फैल रहा है, जहां देखो वहां पे कचरे के ढेर में प्लास्टिक ही नजर आ रहा है, जहां देखो वहां पे रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म, बस स्टैंड या पब्लिक प्लेसेस, सिनेमा हॉल्स, गार्डन, जहां पे देखो प्लास्टिक के रैपर्स, प्लास्टिक की बॉटल्स, प्लास्टिक के यूज एंड थ्रो के मटेरियल्स, डिशेज, प्लेट्स, एवरीवेयर इज देयर. एंड if it will be not picked up by the cleaning agents of municipal council, it remains there for longer and longer period of time. Understand? Because it is not biodegradable. It is made up of the synthetic material. So it has become the very serious problem to get rid of the plastic. क्योंकि कभी न्यूज में या न्यूज़पेपर में सुना होगा आपने, the wandering animals like cows or goats तो नहीं होती, कभी cows ही होती है mostly. They have swallow the plastic bag which was containing some food material and that got blocked into the intestine and that cow has been died. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि हम ही हमारा जो लेफ्ट ओवर फूड है वो जो है हम गीला सूखा कचरा सेपरेट करने के चक्कर में उसको एक कैरी बैग में डालते हैं, पैक करके डस्टबिन में डाल के फेंक देते हैं. When that garbage is thrown at the garbage depots, that time these animals which are wandering there, they are trying to get the food out of that polythene and in course of that action they eats that and many negative worst effects takes place. इवन मुंबई के बारे में आपने सुना होगा, रेनी सीजन में हमेशा एक प्रॉब्लम होती है वहां के जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम दैट गॉट्स ऑलवेज ब्लॉक्स बिकॉज ऑफ प्लास्टिक. Excessive or overuse of plastic has become very troublesome situation for all of us. दूसरी बात, if the plastic is lying on the ground, मतलब जमीन पे ऐसे बिखरा हुआ है, तो that land become barren barren in the sense that doesn't remain fertile, हम वहां पे कल्टिवेशन नहीं कर सकते. प्रोवाइडेड वहां के जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है जो यूजफुल है सॉइल के लिए, हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर के लिए, एनवायरमेंट के लिए, दैट ऑल्सो डाइज. सो व्हाट इज आवर ड्यूटी नाउ? See, I'm not saying you or I'm not requesting you to stop it 100% because up to some extent it is really useful for us, which is really saving the natural sources, say in the form of plants, in the form of metal. It is good, but we have taken disadvantage of it. Everywhere, wherever we are going, we are completely dependent upon the plastic. Market में जा रहे हो ना, कपड़े की बैग लेके जाओ ना, जूट की बैग लेके जाओ. Is it necessary that vegetable seller, fruit seller will give you the carry bag always? We are shamelessly demanding, भैया एक carry bag दो ना. Why can't you carry your own bag, cloth bag, jute bag, at least paper bag? So we have to think about this problem and we have to try to use least, कम से कम प्लास्टिक यूज करना है हमें. ठीक है, जहां पे कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है हमारे पास, जैसे मैंने आई वेंट टू द मार्केट एंड आई हैव ब्रॉट द जार ऑफ पिकल फॉर मी. देन दैट जार जहां से हम जूस, ज्वेलीज, स्क्वैशेस, जाम्स, पिकल्स वगैरह जो भी है हम लाते हैं, स्वीट्स वगैरह लाते हैं, दैट कंटेनर्स, दैट जार्स, दैट बॉक्सेस, वी कैन कीप इट प्रॉपरली आफ्टर गेटिंग ओवर दैट मटेरियल. हम क्लीन करके रख सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज दैट अगेन टू स्टोर द ड्राई मटेरियल, जैसे सीरियल्स, छोटे छोटे सीरियल्स है जो यूज कर रहे हो, पल्सेस है, दाल है, ड्राई फ्रूट्स है, स्पाइसेस है, उसको स्टोर करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. बच्चों की जो चीजें हैं छोटी, सपोज आई हैव अ बॉक्स, जैसे मैंने आज स्वीट लाया, उसका एक मुझे ऐसा क्यूबॉइड शेप बॉक्स मिला. दैट बॉक्स आई कैन क्लीन एंड आई कैन गिव टू माई किड की बेटा यू कैन यूज इट टू कीप योर crayons, टू कीप योर पेंसिल्स एंड एवरीथिंग इनटू दैट, टू स्टोर इट, कह सकते हैं ना. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक श्योर दैट यू कैन फॉलो 3 R's. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce the use, as I told you, use paper bags, use cloth bags. Then as far as possible, do not ask the fruit seller to give the carry bags, polythene bags again and again. In that way we can reduce the use. Second, reuse. Just like I have given the example of containers, jars, bottles, we can use it again and again by cleaning it till it is durable. और इसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी काफी ज्यादा होती है. अगर ये दोनों चीजें आपसे नहीं हो रही है, आदती लग गई है आपको कि बार बार यूज करें, तो कम से कम उसको जमा करके, जो कबाड़ी वाला आता है ना, उसको दे दो, यहाँ वहां मत फेंको. अंडरस्टूड? रिसाइकल, सी it is thermoplastic, it can be molded again and again. So at least आप reduce नहीं कर सकते use, आप उसको reuse भी नहीं करना चाहते, तो कम से कम collect it and give to the कबाड़ी वाला so that they can recycle it. Understand? So the waste, overall waste which is generated by this plastic can be reduced and somehow little bit we can help our environment to save from this plastic pollution, I will say. Understand? It's very serious issue. You think about it. जान दो रहे मैम क्या लेक्चर, मैम ने बोला क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पे लिखेंगे, हो गया. Don't take it up to that point. Whatever things are being taught to you through your syllabus are applicable for your day-to-day life. It is useful for your secure future, safe future. So now choice is yours. You decide what to do and what not to do. Along with this, we have completed this chapter. Now today is Friday. You have 2 days to study. I will take your test. I will conduct your test after 2 days. Till that time, prepare yourself for the test and take care of yourself. Thank you.